To complement our existing hedge mode, BingX Perpetual Futures now supports one-way mode, a new feature to simplify your trading strategy. One-way mode allows you to hold only one position, long or short. In comparison, hedge mode allows you to hold both. For example, in one-way mode, if you hold a short BTC position and want to go long, you must close the short position first. One-way mode simplifies trading, making it similar to stock and forex trading. Plus, you only need to manage one position at a time. For beginners, one-way mode makes trading straightforward. API and strategy traders will appreciate lower margin utilization. Finally, copy traders can copy a trade without worrying about the trader's other positions. You can switch to one-way mode in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Perpetual Futures page. Step 2. Click on the 3-dot icon on the top right. Step 3. Select Preferences, then Position Mode. Step 4. Switch to one-way mode. Do remember to close all open positions and orders before switching mode, as the change applies to all contracts. That's it. You're now all set for one-way mode.